Absolute gorgeous brick maintenance-free condo in a gated community in Karns. Ms. Clean lives here. Quality construction features a very open floor plan, vaulted ceiling and living room which has built-ins flanking the gas fir.eplace. Large open dining area joins the kitchen with center island with granite counters, stainless appliances, and a pantry. Cozy sunroom with tons of light. Large main level master suite features a tray ceiling, bath with walk-in shower, arid closet. There is a second bedroom and full bath also on the main. The laundry room features extra storage, cabinets, and a utility sink. Back deck features trex decking and aluminum railing plus a concrete patio. Extra parking is loosed by where a community pavilion is planned. Upper level features hardwood stairs, third, fourth bedrooms which one could be used as a bonus room, and a full bath. 2-car garage, tons of storage in the home, and much more.